In this Java Swing tutorial, we will make an application with JList. The selected option is printed to the console. Let's do the application from the beginning together. First, I created an empty window. I need a default list model. I add a few options to the model using the addElement method. I create a list object from the JList class. I set the default list model to the class. I set the position and size of the list in the window using the setBounds method. I change the font property of the list. I add the list to the window. I added the JList object to the desktop window. I want a message to be printed to the console when the options are clicked. To do this, I will use the addListSelectionListener method. I assign the selected option to a string variable using the getSelectedValue method. I print the string variable to the console. The selected option is printed to the console. I recommend you to watch other Java tutorials in the channel.